to the Techie Dad channel. My name is Gil. Thank you for stopping by. As the name suggests, I am a dad and I have a passion for technology. And I have a problem. Yes, I have a problem for watches. I really love watches. However, I just recently saw my Apple Watch 4, even though I know there's the Apple Watch 6. However, I've had an Apple Watch since day one. Ever since it first came out, I've had it, and I've been upgrading ever since. Now, I miss this type of watches. So I sold my old Apple Watch 4. It was in perfect condition, but I miss this type of watch. And for me, a watch has to have the date. The date is extremely important to me. I'm always looking at the date. So it took me about a couple of weeks for me to decide on a watch, and I went with Bulova. This is model 96B158. I am not sponsored by anybody. So what I wanted to do, and I like this technology. Well, you can technology. I wanted to swap this buckle. The problem that I have is that every time it goes on, as you can tell, it is real leather, by the way. At the beginning, my God, it was super hard, but now it's I adjusted it to my wrist. I've been wearing it for about a week, but from day one, I was looking into changing that buckle. Now, to me, I found this, and I've had them before. It's this right here. I got it on Amazon. It's called Steel Deployment Clasp Buckle. I am not sponsored by these guys. I just wanted to show it to you guys and do a little video tutorial. Instructions out of the way. Oh wait. And it was about $10.99 on Amazon. This is it right here, the start of the show. So I'm going to replace this buckle with this. And let's take this off so we can truly appreciate everything. If I can open it, I can take phones apart. I can't open this. Wow. Be right back. I'm back. So yeah, my nemesis, paper and glue. I could do a lot of things. I just can't cut and glue and color. I absolutely suck at all those things. Anyways, so this is what it does. You press these two buttons, it opens up, and voila, you don't have to go through that. Plus, it saves this with time. You can tell I've had it for a week. Now look. Now with time, I know that in a year it'll be cracked. Doesn't matter if it's real leather or not. According to them, it's genuine, but from experience, trust me, I know it's not gonna last very long. So this will remedy that, and it looks more elegant. It's easier to put on and to adjust, as a matter of fact. So this thing, I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It's from iStrap. It was $10.99 plus. If you have Prime, of course, you know it's free. Shipping and handling is free. Now with taxes, it came out to $12.01, something like that, which is very cheap. And if you buy one of these things from Bulova themselves, this thing alone is $50. Do I want to pay $50? I don't think so. So let's get to it. So they sent you the tool, which is pretty neat. Oh God, more paper and plastic bags. Okay, so here's your tool. It comes with it. It feels very cheap, of course. You know what can I expect for that type of money. So on different watches, and I'm no expert, like I said, but you see that little V. Some watches, you're able to just put that in, pull it back, and it pops right out. On some, like that, you see there's a little hole. Okay, so we're going to use the other end of this tool. We're going to See? Press it. Comes right off. Easy as that. So we'll put that to the side. We're not going to throw it away. We're going to keep it. Now we're going to remove this. I'm sure it has a name, but I don't remember it. So we're going to take this pin out. We could take it all the way, but I don't want to. We don't have to. Okay. And then we just slide it right back in. And you know, it's pretty neat. They provide some of these springs. However, I'm not gonna replace that. It has two keepers. These are called keepers. I found that out. And we're gonna keep the original. So now on to the best part, the start of the show. The clasp buckle, the deployment. The name's pretty cool. So it's pretty nice. What we're gonna do, this part right here goes here. Okay, let me make sure I got it in right. Okay, it would be a shame, right, to put this thing backwards. So this. Press that. All right. So here we go. Now this is very easy to put this on. Just is that kind of hard when you're trying to film and do this. I'm sure there's. Now, while I struggle with this, you should know that whenever you are looking into one of these, make sure that you get the right size. This is a 20 mil. There are 22, 18 mil, 12 mil, 10 mil. Or just measure it, and you'll be fine. Or you can find it in the instructions of your watch. I found it in instructions, in the manual, I went to Bulova, and I measure it. It checks out. Okay, so it turns out that when I talk, I can do things. So there it is. There's the first part. And now we need to get the tail end of the watch into this. So the way we do that is, you see how this thing has an opening. So we open it. Okay, like that. Now, since I've been wearing my watch for over a week, I kind of know more or less where I want it. But like I said, it's it might work on the same one, and the same hole, different hole. So let's do it again, so you can see it really good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is we open this. You get the tail end of your band, slide it, and right underneath just pick the hole that you think might fit. So I'm gonna try that one, the third one from the very last, and it just snaps back on. So to put it on, you slide it through one keeper, through the next one, and there it goes. Now I think this might be a little too tight for me, so I'm gonna have to change the hole. So, man, I love this, it's nice. So to adjust it, just pop that open and move it back. I'll move it to the fourth one. I think that's where I was wearing it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it on and see how it goes. Kind of like a bracelet, if you guys wear bracelets. I know as a kid I used to, but alright. There's one. Next one keeper, two keepers. And there we go. to open it, just press. I will say they feel a little, they're not super smooth like some watches I've had. Of course, you know, they're really expensive. Like, I'm sure Bulova will sell theirs for like $20 some. I mean, 50. But the quality, I mean, what can you expect for $12? Now, I will wear it for about a week. And if I have something bad or good or extremely good about it, I will make an update. But I see something I don't like already. Look at that. And you don't feel it, but I can tell you that that feels a little sharp. Like I say, I'm not sponsored by these guys. They're not paying me. Nobody's paying me to do this. Oh, one concern I have is that we'll see with wear, but that this might come off. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see on this camera. Can you see it? Well, we're gonna see. So there you go. Put it back on one more time, just so I could hear that. Oh. Again. Just do it one more time. Yes, you can do it. It's not rocket science. You can do it. There we go. One keeper, second keeper. There we go. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for stopping by. If you like what you saw, if you think I deserve your subscription, please consider doing so. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video on Techie Dad.